Hey, happy days, Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and I am super excited because today is the first day of the Live Challenge Workshop. Come rain, shine, hail, sleet, snow, pandemic, what the heck ever, we will be live noon Eastern on this very page, the Thrive Challenge page. If you have not gotten your workbook yet, I need you to go, or you need to go and download your workbook. The link will be in the comments below where you can go get that and be ready to go right at noon Eastern, right here, and it's available. If you haven't gotten it yet, get your workbook and download it, because you're going to want that to follow along and go along through the challenge. And it will actually help you to create your own challenge map, your own challenge blueprint, so that you can do your own challenges going forward for yourself and for other people, for those you want to help and serve with whatever it is you want to help and serve them with. I know that sounds a little bit wide open, but kind of right now the whole world's wide open. So get excited, get your workbook, and I will see you here at noon Eastern. 11 o'clock my time, noon, whatever time it is, whatever time noon Eastern is for you, depending where you are on the planet. Take care, have an awesome day, and I will see you in a few hours. Bye. Rain or shine.